What started as a routine shoplifting call exploded into a multi-location crackdown. With rapid coordination between store security and police, officers intercepted the suspects just as they were poised to strike again, cutting short a growing retail crime spree before it could spread any further.
Hey, guys, stop.
What's up?
For you, stop.
Why?
Stop.
For what?
Because I said so. Stop.
Why? Excuse me?
These three?
Yep.
Okay, come this way.
Come on,
Stop right here. Stop.
Okay,
Come over this way, real quick.
Can you come out?
Come over this way. You too. Yep. Come over this way.
What happened? What's happening? What happened?
Sit.
Come on, what are you doing?
Sit.
Excuse me, I don't have nothing. What happened?
Sit. Thank you. You're back. You're back.
10, 12 with them if you want to find out what's going on.
Stand right here.
Yeah, just sit on here. Are these bags? They're ours.
Yeah, they're ours.
Yeah.
And then the sunglasses are ours too.
Sunglasses.
Oh my god. Yeah. Sorry.
You got handcuffs?
Huh?
You guys got handcuffs?
Can we bring them into our office so we can go through everything?
Yeah, well, let me make sure they don't have any weapons.
Okay.
Excuse me. For
Stand
what?
up. You stand up. You stay seated.
I don't have nothing.
Well, I don't know that. Do I know what's in your pockets? Your hands.
If you guys,
Okay, sit. Stand. Around that way.
Hi.
Correct. There could be a couple items in the back.
All right, let's go this way.
On February 25, 2023, deputies in Indian River County, Florida, rushed to a Walmart in Vero Beach after store security flagged 3 women actively stripping shelves and stuffing merchandise into bags and a shopping cart. Under surveillance, the trio moved quickly until one undercover associate made eye contact with them. Realizing they'd been spotted, the suspects ditched the cart and tried to bolt, still clutching purses, sunglasses, and personal care items. But their escape didn't get far. Deputies closed in and apprehended all 3 before they could make it off the property.
Sit. Please, thank you.
So I'm pretty sure nothing's in there because they got scooped and so they ditched everything. That's everything that was in the car. But we still have the bags and I still have syringes and the sunglasses. And I actually have to grab the tags from the sunglasses that she ditched in the jeans.
Okay.
I'm not going with nothing. What is this? Sunglasses.
That's illegal. Now you know why you're sitting here. Stop talking. Stop talking.
Do you guys, how old are you guys? How old are you?
25. I'm 15. I don't know what happened, man.
Do you guys have IDs from somewhere?
We don't know.
Do you have IDs?
I don't have
You never have IDs issued to you.
Yep.
You don't have any identification whatsoever. So what's your name? Where are you from?
Romania.
So you have no identification at all. Okay, what's your name?
Anita.
Spell it.
Anita.
How do you spell your name?
I'm not she know to spell it. She can write it for you. She couldn't.
What's your name? Spell it.
I don't know to spell it. I don't know so much English. This is my bag.
What about the deodorant?
Only 2.
We watched you put this in that bag.
What?
We saw you grab it off
This
the
is
shelf.
my home.
We watched you grab it off the shelf.
What's your last name?
My name, Anita.
Does Anita have a last name?
Anita, what?
Okay, so you're not
Ma'am,
gonna.
I'm not stealing nothing. What is this?
Okay, so you're not gonna identify yourself.
You came here 10 police and I don't know why.
What's your name?
That deodorant.
What? Spell it? You don't know how to spell your names? Like, how do you spell it in Romania? No. Okay. What's your birthday?
97.
What's your birthday?
97 February.
February what?
97.
What's your birthday?
2008.
Do you have any United States identification at all? No.
The blue is my bag, man. I don't steal nothing.
Okay. So the cameras are lying? So the cameras are lying is what you're saying?
You want to steal the camera?
Okay.
I don't know what happened. I'm being just steal this. I don't know what is here. 10 police, 10 cars for the police, and I don't know why.
A quick search exposed the stolen goods along with ripped open packaging tossed aside in haste. But the real alarm came when deputies tried to identify the women. None carried valid U.S. documents, and every story they gave contradicted the last. Store security then delivered the final blow. One of the suspects had been spotted hitting multiple Walmart locations earlier, pointing to a much bigger ongoing theft operation.
Why you bring one about blue? Because you
Hey! Hush!
But you can't
That's
check
not
the
yours.
camera. You can check the camera. You go to the camera and then have my bag. Why
Okay.
she bring the new? Because it's mine. Check
Okay.
the camera, please. I don't think nothing for this store.
Hey! Sit down!
Yes.
And shut up,
Okay,
please.
shut up.
You don't need to talk.
I am criminal. I'm stealing.
No, you stay seated.
Okay. I don't have any money with me. I have just my bag.
Well, that makes sense why you would steal, because you have no
I'm
money.
not stealing, but I want to go in the car. I have to go with here with the money. I don't have nothing. I'm thinking I have my
Okay.
So you're
money.
saying you came in with these bags?
This is my bag.
What time did you come in the store?
Me? I don't know why you look the camera. Why you
What
look the
entrance did you
camera?
come in?
Why you look here? You are here. You are here. Why you don't look your job? This is your job. Tell
Okay,
the
so
people.
what about sunglasses?
Okay, go to the trap.
The
What about the
sunglasses.
sunglasses?
What?
What about the sunglasses? Are the sunglasses yours too?
What?
Are the
Wait,
sunglasses
no,
yours?
this is yours. I put everything here because I'm the man from here. I'm joking with the man because she looked me, she see me in the she followed my store. Yes. And I put here everything that she think I'm stealing. But I'm not stealing nothing. I'm gonna go with nothing. What is this?
How long have you been in the United States?
What?
How long have you been in this country?
Like 3,
3 years?
2,
2 years?
like.
And I gotta search them more thoroughly.
Why? Why?
You know why?
For this. For this.
Go ahead and stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Turn around.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
And speak to them.
Go stand up.
They own the property and stuff?
Yeah, I got all that. I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Further investigation confirmed the woman had a documented history of shoplifting throughout Florida. Their repeated actions, entering with empty bags, concealing merchandise, and abandoning carts when observed, fit a clear pattern of habitual theft. Deputies secured all recovered property as evidence and placed an ice hole due to their repeated offenses and unverifiable identities.
Excuse me, sir. I'm going to police. And what happened?
You stole.
What?
You stole glasses.
When I'm going to police, what happened?
You're gonna get booked. You're gonna get processed. And as of right now, the Border Patrol is gonna place a detainer on you.
What?
Yeah, which means you're gonna stay there until they deem it necessary.
I'm staying.
Yeah.
For this. going now? In the jail?
To the jail.
Oh, for sunglasses.
What's that?
For sunglasses, we are going in the jail.
Yeah. It's crazy, right?
Yes, it's very crazy. And how long I staying in the jail?
How long?
Yes, how long?
Oh, I have no idea. I can't
You have
can't
no idea. You are a sheriff.
I
You don't
can't-
bring me to jail.
Huh?
You are a sheriff. You need to know.
I need to know
Yes, you need to know. You bring me to the jail.
until you bond out. You're there until you bond out.
My bond.
Yeah.
I'm 15. You
still-
can put bond on me.
Yeah, I can.
No,
Yeah, you can.
I don't think so.
Okay. Wait, can you be arrested because you're 15?
Huh?
Can you be arrested because you're 15?
Yes, I can, but not bond. It's something different.
Okay. I understand what you're saying. You're saying because you're a juvenile, you don't get a bond. Well, you still get a bond. You're being arrested for a criminal charge.
For what? For a criminal charge?
Yeah, criminal charge.
What is this criminal? What I'm
Theft.
doing? I don't kill nobody for criminal.
I know, but you're still
Yes, that's
Theft is a
no criminal thing.
theft is a crime.
No, it's not a criminal thing.
It-
It's a crime. What?
It's a crime. Theft. When you take
Because I'm
somebody
taking
else's
sunglasses, it's a crime.
when you take somebody else's possessions without their permission, it is a crime.
Oh, I don't think so. For sunglasses, that's not a crime.
Okay. We have to wait and see. Immigration's coming.
Immigration?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, apparently you guys committed a crime somewhere else.
Excuse me?
Did you guys steal somewhere else?
Immigration? What?
I don't know. I'm just hearing what I heard. All of them.
Immigration? Really?
Yeah.
But why immigration?
Why?
Yes.
I don't know. From what I'm hearing, did you steal from another store?
No.
No? Your friend did.
Yes.
Yeah, she did.
But why immigration? I'm not understanding.
Well, that's why. Because you committed a crime.
Deputies learned they were habitual shoplifters and placed an ICE hold on all three. They have almost certainly been deported by now.